monkey jumping on the bed. One fell off and bumped his head. Oh, the dog is there. Wait for bluff and bumped.
Jack, can you show the book to Ella? Show Ella the pictures.
That one got hurt too.
What happened?
That one.
Which one? Show me. Show the camera. I don't know what you're talking about. Show the camera.
These ones got hurt.
How did they get hurt?
When he's jumping on the bed.
And what's the name of this book? Show Ella the name of the book. Ella wants to see a picture.
Jumping on the bed. This is next. Ella. I'm going to show you the page after. Oh no.
Read the book.
Wait, little monkey jumped on the bed. Mom got the doctor. I just said, no more monkeys jumping on the bed. And then mine said, no jumping on the bed. Now I can go to sleep. Now I can go to sleep.
Jack, show Ella the picture. Ella just wants to see the pictures. She kept putting her hand on it so you would show her the pictures. Can you do that, please?
I won't do them.
Show her the last page. She didn't get to see the last page. She wants to see how it ends.
I want to do that.
Show.
And now I can go to sleep.
Show your sister.
Look at look at. Like it. What do you like? You like the last page? It's on the butt. No, don't.